Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your OnePlus Nord N100, and at first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down and find security and lock screen, click on the Face Unlock and then input your current vlog method, click to add face data, then you have to read this description and click next. Right now we have to keep our face really close to the selfie camera. And don't move the head on the left or the right side. And after that, after seeing this marker, you can click next. And let's lock device by power key and press it one more time to unlock. And as you can see, face recognition is working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.